Tomavele from programtom.com/dev here, and in this video I'm gonna continue the development of my to-do list. And after recording my first video, I've realized I've modeled my information a little bit in a wrong way. So basically, the latest version of an application should be based on channel. Basically, when one queries the latest version, it goes against application and for channel. So these versions should be moved to channel. Description, okay, and accordingly let me build the application so some red flags pop up. And the other thing is version update. So if I want to publish a version for all the platforms, they will all increase the version. So it will be the same build, but for different platforms will get the versioning increased. So this this increment, this logic that increases the build number, I'll remove it, and I have it allowed. I will allow the user to modify it. Yeah, but first let's move out the items from application that are not for here. So this is about the downloading a version, downloading the latest version. Okay, it should not be in application but in channels list. So select latest build of app, and here it also depends on the on what platform. So here again I'll need to add a picker that will select for what platform. By channel and platform. So channel is here and platform is, so let's have it hard coded. Where is my num running platform? Let's for now have it for Windows, and I'll add the picker later. That's out of here and move it to here. build service, channel, and platform. Select latest by channel and platform. How it is called here, running platform. And version. Yeah. Platform and channel. Okay, how is running platform? It's int. Let's have it like ordinal. Okay. Getting the latest version should be by application and by channel and by platform. Mm, okay, I need okay, I need all the application service and channel service. I need to leave this. So next, let's will be the channel ID. Find by okay. Oh, channel is different than normal. Channel also needs to have no application and the application must equals this application. So all good for application, and now let's have it no and platform okay platform value of platform. What will this return? Probably no. Let's inspect it. Returns the name. Throws illegal argument. So this needs to be try catch. Otherwise, let's have default running platform Windows. Let's return 0 for invalid platform. Otherwise, all good. So this endpoint now will return the version number. Okay, I'm deleting this from the to-do list. Let's see what else is fishy. So the version will not come from here, but from here. Okay, I'll still leave or no, I'll actually I'll remove it. I will set it as the latest version, but in the editing I'll remove set enable false for version string. It's version number, and during save I will need to validate a version that it is one for non-existing builds for channel and platform. Otherwise, must be channel from the previous build. I'll implement this validation on safe build on safe new build. How is this going? This is creating a new build. Or this when saving new build, I need to set the channel. Okay, this is fixed, this is fixed, and this is fixed. So let's finish this codification here. So do I have access to the build? service. Okay. Okay, let's not do it here, but save and save. So I need to select the latest build of save channel and platform. Okay, let's move it up. Is actually a critical functionality, so yeah, I'll make it non-compilable, so I will finish it after I'm done with this. The build is null. I need to validate if object get version int is different than 1. I will not save enter population show version number incorrect version number. Else, no need for else, this will just continue saving. Else the object yeah, let's put more description here. Should be if object get version different than build get version number +1. And then save. So let's have a picker here. we need a dialog, within dialog that needs to be shown. Dialog needs use platform. Let's have the combo from here. Let's select the Windows by default. So this adds a combo box, and I need add the cause action listener. No, it's reusing some code. So cancel add pick. And here I need to code out this logic below. Okay, I'm done with that too. And I will start the app. Oh, I also need an else clause for build. It is always a good idea to write else clause. So I've cleaned up the database and the images, and because the authentication happens by external service, I'm wanted on the application list. So let's start again. Create a application channel prot. Let's have a channel prot, and in this channel let's have a build one, and build one, and if I try to save it, and it should have not saved this. I haven't code return for build list save if basically when I return. Okay, so yes, and I've also noticed channel list object actions. That I think I'm not adding this button, or am I? Okay, let's check again. I need to compile the code and it will restart, and this will start channels. So channels, prepare download. So prepare download channels list should go open dialog. So dialog. So I'm new text here. No builds yet. And after adding the action, I so set visible true. Per download. Okay. Okay, this is the way to open it. Channels list. Okay, Windows. no version found for Windows, and this is for Linux. Okay, let's have it for Linux, and no version found still. Still no version, because it didn't update the version number. Okay, let's so this check must happen on edit build list, say this check should happen if object dot get id is no. Otherwise it is just an update and should not have this. Okay, this should update, thus saving. Let's see if the saving actually updates the channel. I have started from command line, so I cannot stop the book, but yeah, let's still no version found when the actual version of the base. Trying to search the latest tweet. I think this saving does not happen properly. I need to stop this from command line and debug it. This is version 1 and this version should transmit to the channel. Here is the version, it's version 1. So here it should be able to find a build. Because channel version is 1. Pick Linux. Oh, of course, this does not come from the dialog. needs to be so here it is, the actual platform original, and this hard-coded value is out, and releasing this. Okay, this different message that is perfectly okay, as I haven't updated the package to contain actual binary. And okay, now it's working, and after being refactored and moved by the channel. And so next I'll code some endpoints. I'll finish here. It's running platform, return version number. So I need to download it as binary. I need to have an endpoint here, similar to this, and I'll use some code from the internet. Have it the functional part ready. Application download, and I need the same parameters. And this to be Spring Framework stuff. And yeah, this needs to be a response entity. Okay, so is left is file download to. File. Files. And here I need only one resource. So yeah. Need this, and I need actual build. So let's have it not found with no other stuff. Have a download build method. And basically here I will also need to return this. So this is the latest version as binary by application GUID, channel ID and platform. Build okay, so I'm only left with changework that is actually done. Have a page. The only thing left here is to be sorted by have it page above of size with page, and let's try with here page. Why is this get sort? Or let's read the documentation. The returns the current sort or the given one if the current one is sort. Let's have a sort by version number descending. Okay. Page request page request first is the page, then is the size, new Okay. So here let's select channel page. So the only thing left is to create some Docker Compose stuff to actually test on local machine and deploy it on my local server and have it bind it to my Jenkins installation to have it deployed after each git push. So after I finish this, I'll make it this product available at my blog programtom.com/dev, and basically I'll start distributing my desktop clients that is integrated with translations manager. So yeah, several things to get published very soon.